Hello. Am I live? Lemon Lover. Hi. I'm live because I got 2 boxes of Fabletics stuff and I am home and had a couple minutes and I wanted to share our new stuff. So if you want to watch, I'm about to show you all of our new UltraCool fabric, which is my new favorite thing that we've been working on. And this is my favorite. I love our unboxing because I get to see all the product that we've been working on so hard. Hi. New baby fan. Hi, Germany. Hi, bye. This is so fun. I miss doing lives. Every time I get to do lives, I miss them. Ooh, I opened our Sculpt Knit. This is my favorite. These are my favorites. I love the Sculpt Knit and everything that we're doing here. I'm going to show you all of our new UltraCool fabric. And it's, you know, I've been traveling, so I haven't been able to get ahead of it. But for all of you Fabletics lovers out there, you guys have responded so amazing to it. And we've, you know, starting new fabrics and being able to actually create our own fabric has been so much fun. This is a very special one. UltraCool. It is what it means. It's aerodynamic. It's cool to the touch. It feels so soft on your body. It feels like you're not wearing anything, which is great, even though it, like, you know, still has the same kind of compression and snugs you. You want to take me for a day at Disneyland? Wow, that's really nice. Thank you. Yeah, isn't the color pretty? Actually, I'm getting good light in here, so you can actually, this really is the color. But this is the Sculpt Knit top. I'm going to show you real quick. Oh, yeah. So that's our Sculpt Knit in, I think we're calling it Sycamore. And then here's the UltraCool. And it's so gorgeous. This is in the 7/8 length. Look, and then we do kind of different colors of sheen, if you can tell. There's like, that's a little more matte, and then that goes really sheen. This outfit is amazing. I see a lot of hard eyes, which makes me really happy. Okay, so there's the Sycamore. Let's see what's next. J'adore. Moi aussi. Ooh. This is my uniform, and I mean, I hate to say it, I love, yes, actually, men's, we're working on our men's. Very exciting. So here's our UltraCool fabric in black. And you can see that it's got some yummy sheen. These look so hot on. So I'm super excited for you to see it. This is the Kessler Bra. This is a favorite. It's a medium impact. Girls really like this one. It's got all that good detail. But we love these. And when you put this on, again, you know, part of the whole UltraCool thing is that real aerodynamic, performance-based, you know, with this simple color, but having like real impact with the sheen, and it's pretty special. Okay, so there's the back. I'm going to go a little bit faster, or else we'll be here forever. I moved to Denver, having an Aspen. Oh, say hi to hometown for me. Ooh, okay, so this is the Ella. And Ella High-Impact. This is a fast favorite for all of our girls. You can see that it has the wide band. It's super supportive. And this is in our rose bloom color. Here's the UltraCool in the rose bloom. And you can see again that you have sort of, it goes from like matte to a little more sheen. It's so, if you haven't put these on yet, if you haven't tried them, You're gonna love them. They're my new favorite fabric. Can you buy in bulk? I mean, if you want. Let's see. I'm trying to answer these things. I'm not good at this yet. I have to figure out how. David wants to know if it'll keep you cool. Yes, David, it'll keep you cool. The UltraCool leggings keep you cool. They're incredibly breathable. That's the whole point. Hi, Grease. How do I feel about bike shorts? I think they're cute. We have bike shorts in the UltraCool, and I'm loving them. And I was, that's a trend that I was like, I don't know how I feel about bike shorts. And then I put them on and I was like, kind of love the bike shorts. Okay, so here's the Zoe High-Impact. This is the one that we like when our boobies are need that extra support and we don't have to. Hi. Okay, babe. Babe's getting acai bowls. I'm so excited. Babe is Danny. Danny's getting acai bowls. I'm live, by the way. Just FYI. He left. He doesn't care. Okay, so we love this because when bras get sweaty, we have to pull them over our head, and that can be really annoying, especially when your boobs are big, because it's harder, as I know, because I'm still breastfeeding. So we created this situation. Troxy, I tell Danny you said hi, but he left as fast as he could. It has these little hooks, and then that kind of keeps it in nice and secure. But this color is gorge. It's the electric blue. And then here's the electric blue UltraCool, which the green and the blue are for me, I'm kind of, I can't really tell which one I like better. This one also has this detail here with the zipper. We call this the spin pant. This is great for those who spin. You can, unzip if you need to do that with your shoes. Okay. Spicy meatball is laughing. Love it. Did you know that laughter is actually healing? I mean, you probably did, but it is. Laughter is good for us. So here we go again with the Ella High-Impact zip front. This is a little bit, this is different than the Zoe. This is the Ella. So it's got different details. It has the same, I'm hair in my mouth. I'm losing my hair. As breastfeeding, as new mothers know, that's part of the fun of having babies, is that your hair gets beautiful and then it just falls out. Okay, so there's this outfit. We like these. This is a very popular color. We keep bringing back colors that we know that you love. This is the high-waisted UltraCool spin pant. So it's a little bit different than our other spin pants. As you can see, the back has this support piece, and then it's a smaller elastic front. But this is a nice spin pant too. High-waisted is, personally, I like the high-waisted on a spin bike. Reminds me that my core is in use at all times. Hi, Jenny. Okay, next box. One more box. Hi, Portugal. I've never been to Portugal. I want to go to Portugal so bad. Okay, I think we're getting into the fun. Yeah. So we know that our girls love camo, so we brought back a different kind of camo. We brought back a color that we love. this is the new pink camo. And we basically just brought back in different sort of flavors that we know you love. This guy is the mesh pant power hold capri. The Solar, this is a Solar length, which is one of our, I think Solar and high-waisted are tied. Solar was up front for a while, and then the high-waisted started to catch up, and I think they might be tied for our best sellers, so I'll have to make sure that they've caught up to each other. And then this is our Cashel, which is also a love of our community. And if you haven't used this to work out in, then you're missing out because it's as breathable and as flattering as it gets. Okay, there's that. Let's see. Oh, here's the Cashel cinch tank in our pink camo print. Super cute. And then we paired it with the power hold in the Aegean color, which speaks for itself as to why we called it the Aegean, the blue. And this is the Solar, and it's a power hold, and this is a very incredibly supportive fabric. It's like it's our solid fabric that is a little more, has more weight and warmth to it. Still breathable, but it's good for colder climates and stuff. Or just more like intense support. Champagne and toast. I like that handle. Oh, here we go. This is our dark. This is our go-to. This is one of my go-tos. I don't know. What is it? We can't get enough of this. And I'm like, it's like one of those things where you have all this stuff in your closet and you keep going back to the same thing because it just works and it's so good. I love this lighting in here because you can really see our fabric. It's like you can see how cozy and yummy it is. Shout out to Scott Greengrass. What? And okay, so this is a high-waisted. This is the power hold. This is our 7/8, which is our long one, which I love. And then we paired it with our cute AF muscle tank, which is a t-shirt that all us Fabletics ladies love to wear. And then last but not least, what do we have here? Ooh, yes. This guy is the swing tank. And why do we call this the swing tank? Well, it swings. So clever. No, it does swing. It does swing, but it has the bra that's attached to the swinging Cashel. And then I forgot what I was saying because Madeline, my assistant, was just texting me things that I needed to remember, and I got confused. I can't multitask. Is there anybody else out there who can admit that they're not a multitasker? Because I'm that person. If anyone messes with my train of thought, I'm like, apparently nobody's a multitasker. Apparently that's like the way our brain is supposed to function best. Anyway, so here is the other color way of our high-waisted, yummy high-waisted, but this isn't the 7/8, this is the capri. Oh, this is the one with the mesh. Aha. So this is the mesh one, unlike the darker one, but this is mesh in the new colorway, and this is the high-waisted capri, and then we have, well, every girl loves these, and it's their pockets. Everyone loves a pocket, you know? You want a pocket in your pants, you want a pocket in your dresses. God, we love a pocket. Okay, that is April for Fabletics, and this has been like an awesome month for us. So anybody who's already, ordered the UltraCool, we're so grateful, and we already know that you're loving it. So we're so happy because we love it too, and it's fun when you walk around the company and you see all the girls wearing their new favorite fabrics and stuff. And, some are tried and true. They stick with the power hold. But we got a lot of girls who are just obsessed with our UltraCool. Any questions? Are you selling in stores or online? We sell in both. We have 24 stores across America. We are online. You can be a member or you can just shop retail. So it's like a super flexible, it's a flexible membership model. And sizes, bye-bye. Sizes would be from XXS, so extra, extra small, to 3X. So we are very inclusive in sizing. And are we coming out with more Trinity leggings? Yeah, because the Trinity leggings are loved. We don't say goodbye to our styles that women are loving, that's for sure. We listen to everybody. We sell, yes, have handbags. We do sell leggings that are short. I'm sending love to the Netherlands back. I have 2 more minutes and then I have to. Thank you. My daughter is so cute. I love her so much. Are those sizes applied to all the styles? Appreciate your... It depends. Some styles we, because it's a different type of design capability, we have to design for, we want it to look amazing as it can on everybody. So I had to pause you because Sophie Lopez was calling me, and she should know better. Sophie should know better. Any other questions before I leave? My assistant just said that she loves that she has to go on Instagram Live to see me because I've been so busy lately that we're like 2 ships passing in the night. We only talk on the phone these days. All right. How does it work? Is it a monthly service? Yes, it is a monthly. So if you choose to be a part of the membership, it's every month. You have to go in, and the first week of the month, you need to click whether you want to shop that month or not. And if you don't want to shop that month, then, you're not shopping that month. Nothing happens. If you do want to shop that month, then you utilize that month and what the membership cost is, and then you are able to access the exclusive pricing, exclusive prints, and content, and very exclusive, fun, awesome content. So it's pretty great. We have very happy members. We do extended sizing, and the extended sizing goes up to 3X. Okay, I'm gonna kiss you goodbye. Thank you. I love you all, and have the best day. And what is it? Wednesday? It's a hump day. Have the best end of your week. Have the best weekend. And yeah, be kind. How do I do this? I'm going to end live.